In this video, we will review how to use BIMcollab ZOOM for opening and combining multiple IFC files within your project. You can start with your own IFC files, or you can explore the BIMcollab example project, which consists of 9 IFC models, each belonging to a different discipline. The example project is part of your BIMcollab ZOOM installation, and can be found in BIMcollab ZOOM application folders in both Windows and Mac. You can find the exact folder location in the video description box. To start adding files, click on the File menu in the top left corner and select Open. Here you can navigate to the folder containing your files, which can be located anywhere on your computer, or in a shared folder like the Dropbox desktop app or Autodesk Docs desktop connector. The number of files you can open at the same time is not limited, but you may encounter difficulty when your computer's capacity and memory are exceeded. Loaded models will be displayed in the Navigation tab, where they will be sorted alphabetically in the model tree view. Once you have loaded your models, you can save the federated model as a BIMcollab project by navigating to the File tab, and selecting the Save Project as. Save the project file in the same folder the IFC files are located in, as the BIMcollab project file does not contain any IFC data, but a registry of paths to files. Because of this, when sharing the project file with others, make sure you share the referenced models as well. If you are connected to a BIMcollab cloud project, you can link a shared file folder with your project, ensuring all team members are working on the latest files. To set up a project folder, as a project leader, first connect to your BIMcollab space and project by clicking on the Connect button. Next, from the File menu, select the Project Folder option. The project folder should be located on a shared location like a company server or a file-sharing application like Dropbox, OneDrive or similar, making the folder accessible to all team members of the project. The files from selected subfolders will be loaded and designated with a cloud symbol in the model tree view, and you can load the models to the 3D window by right-clicking and choosing Load Model option. Click on the Synchronize Project button to synchronize with BIMcollab. Once the project folder has been set up by the project leader, the files in this folder will be automatically opened in BIMcollab ZOOM every time any of the team members connect to the project. To add additional models to your project after opening the initial models, use the Add to Project, Add Recent, and Add Only options. Do not use the Open command for adding models, as it will close the current project and open a new one. You can set prefixes to easily group and structure your project. To add a prefix, right-click on a single model, or select multiple models, and choose the Add Prefix option to add a prefix to multiple models simultaneously. The models displayed in the model tree of BIMcollab ZOOM can have different colors, which are based on their model loading status. Black is for loaded models, gray color signifies models added but not loaded, and red represents models previously added, but not found in their specified location. To relink the model to the new file location, right-click and choose the Select File option. If you don't want to display the model anymore in your Zoom viewer, right-click on the model and select the Unload Model option. The model will still be visible in the Navigation tab in gray, and can be added back to the model at any time by right-clicking and selecting Load Model. When the models within the project need to be updated with revised models, you can right-click on the model in the model tree, and choose between the Reload and Update Model options. The Reload Model command will automatically update the same file with a newer version, as long as the new file has the same name and is in the same folder location. The Update Model command will update a loaded model with a file that has a different name, or file location. You will be prompted to navigate to the updated location on your computer and select the correct file. Models can be permanently removed from the project by right-clicking and selecting the Remove from Project command. Now that you've learned how to open and combine IFC files, watch the next video to learn more about working in BIMcollab ZOOM.